What's up, guys? Eddie with Princeton Tree Care here. We got Jose up in a tree today cutting down a willow. We had to take this willow down because, as you can see, we got a driveway, a fence, and a house. And it's an area where the client likes to walk back and forth to their yard. So in order for her to be safe and her neighbors to feel safe, we had to take out all the conflicting branches that were going into the fences, into the utility wires, and into the neighbor's yard. This is Eddie with Princeton Tree Care, and have a nice day.